Ang function, meron tayong mga somewhere about 60,000 na farmers na gumagamit ng various technologies. Yung technology po yung mga makina, services, or whatever technologies na na-produce ng ating mga ahensya. So, nakita po natin na kaunti pa yun, hindi pa man-saturate yun. So, still there are a lot of farmers getting this, asking for the machinery for them to make their farm mechanized and modernized. So until such time na ma-produce na natin talaga yung kailangan natin na particularly rice. Kasi ang rice na yun po ay alam naman ninyo, nakaabot na tayo ng 98 noon, bumagsak ulit sa 93 ngayon. That's why we important na. So siguro babangon tayo ulit with mechanization and modernization once also the NIA can open up a large portion of the arable land na may 3.5 million hectares pa rin na pwede na mapabigyan ng irrigation. By that time siguro, happy na.
Thank you so much, sir. And also,